So, according to a video circulating online, that the Lagos State are now charging tax. They are now collecting tax for solar. For you to install solar, you need to pay a certain charges that is being charged by the Lagos State government. And let me just play you this video, then we will come back and look at it. Now listen to the video.
Lagos State, tẹ́bá mọ àwọn pípù yẹn jọ wọ́n ní àtúnṣe sólà ń pa máa gbàwé fún sólà ẹ wò wọ́n o ní ìmọ̀bí tó ti wá o wọ́n náà máa gbàwé fún sólà ní ìgbọ́rọ̀ èyí nípa máa gbà púfà fún sólà ibi tẹ́ bá ti wá ẹjọ́ gbé lọ́fíìsì yín ibi tọ́fíìsì yín bá wà òun ní kẹ́ ẹ sọ.
All right, so this is the video where we see some men going about collecting let's call it solar permits. For you to have a solar, you need a permit to install the solar in your house. Now that is where the problem begins. We have a system that has failed, a system that cannot guarantee electricity. Now the people have now resorted to means that they can survive in this kind of economy. There is no power anywhere, so we now say let's try a generator where we use fuel to power our house, use diesel to power our house. Now the diesel is either not available, or even if it is available, it's very expensive. So the people now still devise means to survive, and they now go ahead to install solar in their house. Now you go about collecting taxes for the solar they've installed in their houses, and you just keep making life so difficult for people. We don't need more taxes in this country. We need to know how to manage the little resources we have. I don't know who will help me tell these people in governments that it's not about tax. It's about you knowing how to manage the little resources you have in your disposal. We can collect all the tax we want in the whole world, but we spend recklessly and nothing will come out of it. What do you think about this video, that the Lagos State are now collecting tax for solar, or they call it solar permits, whatever they call it? You can see the logo on their car. So just tell me your thought in the comments. And this is Sabastine Charles. You can follow me on X at Sabah for real. Thank you very much.